right, folks. Hey,
What's up?
good choice. Physical contact instead of me pulling you guys over. Right? So the violation would be the green. Okay. So you are allowed to have vehicles. All vehicles are allowed to have white and amber in the front. Red, amber, and white. Okay? Bikes are an accepted vehicle, and you may have one blue lamp to the rear to denote that you're a bike on the highway at night, right?
Also, allowed to have
You are allowed to have one blue lamp to the rear. Okay, that the statute allows for that. Okay, so the green lights you are not allowed to have. You're not allowed to have a running green light. Okay? That make sense?
I understand what you're saying.
What are your questions?
We've been told completely the opposite.
Okay, I can actually hold the statute for you. The only vehicle other than a note to other vehicles at night that you're in fact okay. So, I'm not going to cite you for the green light. You can actually have on this, right? So look totally fine, right? But when you're on the roadway, get on.
Yeah, we just have this so people can see us.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I get it. And that's what the statute for the green light is for. The blue light. Sorry. Would you like me to get the statute for you? Okay, all right. So but if you Google NRS blue lamp, Nevada Revised Statute for Google, right? You're good to go. Like, and that'll show through its legalese statute 4 but you'll find it in that.